Hey everyone, this is Kathy coming at you from small town Spain. It's National Poetry Month, so that means we get to watch lots of cool poetry videos, and I'm really excited to see what everyone has to bring. Yesterday Big Brother kicked us off, and so now I'm here with day 2, and he set me up with the prompt, "This house was built on words." So here we go. This house was built on words. This house is not a home. For the girl who is listening to music with the volume all the way up so she doesn't hear her parents arguing. For the boy who hides as soon as he hears the liquor cabinet creak open. For the wife who makes dinner for 2 in vain because her husband will have a late night at work for the 3rd time this week. For the baby who is wailing because their diaper hasn't been changed in God knows how long. This house was built on words. Angry, empty, envy, enemy, which leaves little room for love and laughter. And after all the lies and cries, this house was built on words. Scream, scold, scowl, a basement of hate, an attic of lies, bedrooms of abuse, and living rooms with no life. This house is not a home. For the girl who doesn't want a serious relationship because she doesn't want to end up like her parents. For the boy who has a court date pending for his 3rd DUI. For the wife who knows the rumors but doesn't want to be alone. For the baby who sees their social worker more often than they should. This house was built on words. It's time to find a new dictionary. Okay, so that was my poem. Next up for day 3 we have Patrick Pressel, and your prompt is coincidences. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you around.